I'm Michael, and I'm a professional magician.
And I'm Oliver.
And I'm a professional tour guide. So what other things can we do?
If I can't do the show, what do we do?
I don't know, man. I don't have any work either.
Is it a good idea for two guys that have never made a show try to make a TV show?
I mean, how hard could it be?
Shit.
Yeah, you'll see it. So like, reverse.
It's not clipping or anything. We'll just call this show Michael Needs a Haircut, the show.
We think the best way to bring a culture home is through its food.
Spam.
With a little science and a little silliness, let us show you the magic of cooking.
I'm Michael.
And I'm Oliver. And we're brothers.
Welcome to our kitchen.